Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your PlayStation 5 to your Android device for an easy guide. First, download the free PS Remote Play app onto your Android phone or tablet. Make sure your PlayStation 5 console is already powered on or in rest mode and connected to a reliable internet network. A wired connection for your console is often best for performance. Your Android device should also have a strong Wi-Fi signal for the best experience. Now let's prepare your PlayStation 5 console for remote play. Navigate to the settings menu on your PlayStation 5. Select System, then Remote Play, and ensure Enable Remote Play is toggled on. Next, go to Link Device to generate a unique 8-digit code. This code is crucial for connecting your Android device later. Also, confirm your console's rest mode settings permit stay connected to the internet, and enable turning on PS5 from network. On your Android device, open the PS Remote Play application and sign in using the same PlayStation Network account linked to your PlayStation 5. The app will then attempt to search for your console automatically. If it doesn't find it right away, don't worry. You can manually enter the 8-digit code that you generated on your PlayStation 5. This establishes a secure link between your devices, allowing your Android to control and display your console's content. With your PlayStation 5 and Android now connected, you're ready to play. For a superior gaming experience, connect your DualSense controller to your Android device via Bluetooth. Position yourself close to your Wi-Fi router for maximum signal strength. Remember, a stable internet connection with good bandwidth, ideally at least 25 megabits per second, is key for smooth gameplay. Now you can enjoy your PlayStation 5 games from virtually anywhere within your home network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.